Hello once again, dear students. This is Sir Banana, and welcome back to another video tutorial that will be based from our school lesson modules for this week's lesson. So today I will be discussing about the operations of sets, and there are four operations of sets that we will tackle for the rest of the lesson. These are the union of sets, the intersection of sets, the difference of sets, and the complement of sets. So these are the very common four basic operations of sets. Now, I will be dividing this lesson into four different videos, and I will discuss each operation for each video so you can understand it separately, and mas sayon siya ma-digest ang lesson sa inyong pagsabot sa operations of sets. Okay? So the first one I will be discussing is the union of set. Now, the unions. Okay? So when we say about union, okay, when we talk about union, okay, the union is denoting for something that you are going to unite. Okay? So unite. Sorry. You're going to unite, or you are going to combine. Okay? So the union or the combination of sets is you are joining. Okay? You are joining the sets. Now again, if we're talking about the basic operations of sets, we will always be talking about the elements of each set. Okay, so when we talk about the union of sets, we are going to unite or combine or join all the elements of the given sets. Okay, so that is what we are going to be mindful if we are going to perform the operation of set, which is the union of set. Now, let's say, for example, we have another set, set A. We have set A 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and we have set B, which is 2, 4, and 6. Now, from the previous video that we had, set A has cardinality of 3, and set B has also cardinality of 3. Then, if we are going to perform the union of sets, we are going to unify or unite or combine or join all the elements of these two sets that we are going to unite. Now, the union of set, as what we learned from our class modules, that it is can be denoted with this symbol. Let's say A union, I'm sorry, let's write it clearly. A union of B. Now, this is how we're going to denote the union of sets. Okay, this is denoted by, it's not actually a capital U, but it is a symbol that is somewhat the same as letter U. So, parehog noun the letter U. So, A, union of B, this is now the denotation of the union of two sets A and B. Then, it is equal to, now, notice that in set A has 1, 2, and 3, and set B has 2, 4, and 6. Now, union of set is you are going to combine the elements, right? So we have 1, 2, and 3, and we're going to combine it with 2, 4, and 6. Now, what are the elements of the union of A and B? Then, the union or the combination of all elements of two sets A and B are 1, 2. Do we need to write another 2? No, we only need to write only 1 because according to the definition of sets, set has a distinct element. So you don't need to rewrite the same elements. So as long as as long as you wrote the same element, as long as naa siya din ha, dili na siya niyo isuwat og balik-balik. Okay? So we have 1, 2, and then we're going to write 3. And then next to 3 is, do we need to write 2? No. So we'll go proceed to 4, 4, and then 6. Okay? Now this is now what we call as the union of sets A and B. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. Sir, um, why is it 5? Nganong wala man si 5 din ha sa atong union of sets? It's because we cannot see 5 in any of the two sets. Wala si 5 ni A, wala po si 5 ni B. So that's why we only write 1, 2, 3, which is 1, 2, and 3, and then 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, and then 6. Okay? Now again, the union of A and B is written in roster method. Okay, the union A and B is the union of roster method. So naa siya ay separation of comma sa ato ang mga elements sa union of A and B. Okay, let's have another example. Let's say for atong example, let's have atong punan ng mga elements. Okay, let's add another elements for these two sets. Let's say 4, and then dire we have 8. Okay. What do you think is the union of A and B this time? So A union, sorry, A union of B, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to open brace 1, 2, 3, 4. And the next is, do we need to write 2? No, kaya na naman si 2 dire. Do we need to write 4? Dili na, kaya na naman si 4 dire. Then we'll go proceed directly to 6 and then 8. So this is now the union of A and B, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 8. Now again, remember, union of set is the combination or the joining of the elements or ang paghalo or imong i-combine tanan or you are going to unify all the elements of the sets that we are going to write. Okay? So I hope that what that was clear. I hope nasabtan na siya. Please refer to your class modules. There are a lot of examples there. And also to our next century mathematics book for grade 7. And you are going to follow there sa itong mga discussion dito and then actually examples. So please answer it as honestly as you could. And then we will discuss it thoroughly as we have our Zoom meeting. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for listening. Goodbye.